The City of Annapolis is moving towards legislation designed to create affordable housing as the majority of homes listed for sale in Annapolis are closer to $1 million and starter homes remain elusive. It's Friday, October 31st, 2025. Happy Halloween! I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The City of Annapolis has introduced legislation proposed to rezone the Tyler Avenue corridor between Bay Ridge Avenue and Forest Drive that would allow a mix of new housing types, including single-family homes, duplexes, small condominium buildings, and cottage courts. The legislation outlines development standards for lot sizes, building heights, setbacks, open space, parking, and requires that new construction be compatible in design and scale with existing neighborhood structures. Not included are dealing with potential increased traffic patterns. That is a concern that many Annapolis residents have expressed. Meanwhile, inventory in Annapolis fell 1.3%. This report to 228 units, and the median list price adjusted to $750,000. 19 homes are coming soon at a median $650,000 list price. 41 homes went under contract in 16 days at a median $630,000. 23 homes sold for 98.9% list to sold ratio in 7 days with a median sales price of $640,000. 11 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $640,000 sales price in 6 days. 8 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $476,750 in 8 days. 4 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $660,000 in 10 days. Inventory for Annapolis rentals remains fairly consistent at 62 for lease at $2,950 median dollars per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 31st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.